Today I'm going to show you how to make a duct tape lunchbox. First you'll need 4 strips of duct tape, each 25 inches long. Overlap these so you have one big rectangle. Flip your rectangle over and with a contrasting color of duct tape, make 4 more strips 25 inches long and stick it to your first rectangle. It should look like this. When you're done with that, trim everything down to a 24 by 5 inch rectangle. Now we're going to make the side panels. You need 3 strips of duct tape 9 inches long. Overlap them so you get a 9 by 5 inch rectangle. It should look like this. Then do the same with the yellow on the opposite side. You will need to make 2 of these and trim them down to 4 by 8 inches. On one of your 4-inch sides, mark 3/4 of an inch in on either side. Do this on both side panels. Draw a line from these markings to the respective outer edge of your panel. Now trim those pieces away with your scissors. Now take another strip of duct tape 9 inches long and split it in half. Place these strips on the top and bottom half of your side panels. You'll have to do it twice. Repeat this process for the 4-inch side as well. Now align your side panel, sticky side not included, at the exact halfway point along the side of your longer panel. Do this on both sides. Now make 4 tiny cuts along the border of your long panel where it attaches to the sticky side up tape. Now fold in your main panels so that they align with the side panels. Fold up all 4 panels so the sticky sides come together and make your lunchbox into something that looks like this.